Hey, I'm James from J Technology, and we are back here at CES 2018 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And we are back here at the Yuneec booth, and we have Ryan Kephart, and he's going to go over the brand new Yuneec Firebird FPV.
Right. So welcome. And this is our brand new entry into a fixed wing market.
Okay.
The Firebird FPV features a lot of cool things that are in all of our normal drones, like our aerial photography drones like the Typhoon H+. However, it's now a fixed wing format. This is a great little tool to start off. You want to experience FPV flight. You have a 4K camera in the front.
Okay.
It's able to turn left or right. So as you're flying, you can actually look in the air left or right, just like a bird would. On top of that, it's got a lot of cool safety features built in, including GPS. So the GPS, what it allows to do is we can set geofences around our flying area.
Wow.
So that way we can prevent ourselves from flying too far away. It's got a return to home feature as well. So when you hit that button, the Firebird will actually come back to us and loiter overhead.
Oh, nice.
When you're ready to land, you hold it down. It's going to do an automatic landing for you.
Okay.
Pretty amazing stuff, and it's working really well.
And what's flight time on this?
Flight time on this one is about 30 to 40 minutes on this guy.
Oh, wow. That's a lot longer than some of the other drones.
Absolutely. And so some more safety features that are kind of really makes this kind of stand out from the crowd is we have a settable altitude. So instead of, worrying about it crashing into the ground, you put it in a safety mode, and it'll prevent the pilot from actually hitting the ground, or maybe even treetop level. So you can set that height however you'd like.
Okay.
On top of that, the second mode allows you to still have that kind of stability. So you hold left on the transmitter, it'll just make a nice left turn. You don't have to worry about throttle management, you don't have to worry about elevator movement, nothing. And then finally, where the real fun begins is Aerobatic Mode. So this one will actually do loops, it'll do rolls, it'll do split S's, just like a real fighter pilot would do. And if you ever get messed up, you simply switch into another mode, it'll self-right itself and prevent you from crashing.
Nice. Will this work with the goggles that you have for the other drone?
So this whole model comes with the transmitter you see there. It comes with the airframe, it comes with batteries, a charger. You actually get a set of goggles similar to the ones in the Breeze. You would just basically use your phone, you'd slide that in your goggles and you would wear those. But it is also compatible with a higher end goggle that like the Skyviews. So you could output HDMI right on the transmitter, or you could just use your phone itself. But we have HDMI ports, USB ports, and all the rest of the kind of similar tools that we're used to.
Can you use your phone and not use the controller, or you have to use the...
So you would have to use the controller because this is based on 2.4, and we want to make sure that you're in complete control of this aircraft.
Okay. And will this be available this year?
It will. This one will be also available around May to June. And what really makes this really cool is it'll come completely apart. We can take the wings off, we can take the tail boom off, and it'll fit in an overhead bin of an airliner.
Okay. And what's the price we're looking on this?
This one's running at $699.
Okay.
And once again, it is going to be available in May or June.
Okay. And I do have one question about the battery. How long is the charging time on that?
Charging time is about an hour on this one as well.
Okay.
And the batteries actually have an indicator to let you know what battery level you're at.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, thank you, Ryan.
You're very welcome.